Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove window tint. As you can see, this one bubbled pretty bad. Even on the side windows, it's not clear anymore. You can hardly see through it. As you can see, that's not good. And it's really tough to remove it if it was installed properly. So stay with us. We're going to show you how to remove it, how to clean your windows. Okay, let me show you on this side. We already did it and see what it looks like. Pretty good. There is no glue or residue left. And what we're going to need, we're not going to use any special tools, guys. What you need is alcohol, just regular alcohol. You can get it from the pharmacy. Okay, you need a quart or a paper towel, and then you need a razor blade. You can use any razor blade and a hair dryer. That's the only things we're going to use, nothing special, just something that you have at home. If you don't have a razor blade, you can purchase this one for 97 cents and you'll do the job. Alright, so stay with us, guys, and we're going to show you how to do it now. Alright guys, so now you need to start with the hair dryer. You need to heat it up. We heated up some of it already. Okay, and as you can see, you can just peel it off with the razor blade. Where it's hot, it comes off real easy. Okay, let us show you if it's not hot. You see, it doesn't come off. So you need to heat it up. I mean, it doesn't need to be so hot that you cannot touch it. Just needs to be pretty warm. Okay, and as you can see, you just need to keep peeling it off with the razor blade, like that. Okay guys, and if you heat it up pretty good, it's going to peel even on its own. So if you grab it like that and you heat behind it, okay, as you can see, it's going to peel like that. You can see how much it goes. Okay. You can see more there. Okay guys, this is the last piece right there. Okay, we just have a little bit left. And now we're going to show you how to clean all that glue, that residue that we have from it. Okay, now you can go ahead and turn the hair dryer off, and we're going to use that alcohol now. You need to apply alcohol and apply a lot, don't save it. Okay, on the rack, and as you can see how easy it cleans the glue. How much better already looks. So once you do that, you need to get another clean towel and do it again, and the second time will be perfect. Alright guys, and after about altogether we have about 10 minutes working on that window, and it's perfect. As you can see, it's like brand new again. There is no tint, no glue left. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.